Hey guys, welcome back to another video with the Bling, and in today's video I am going to be doing something that I've honestly found intimidating for a long time, and that is doing backgrounds slash landscapes. In most of my paintings, as I'll put here, you can see that I've blurred the background, or the background is not very detailed, or it's just the sky. Here's a background I tried to do literally this morning. And that's when I realized, okay, I need to learn how to actually do this. Alright, so I pulled up this video on how to actually use loose brush strokes by Angry Miko. I'll have his channel link down below as well. Okay, I feel like I've got the gist of it, so let's go ahead and give it a shot. how I feel about the finished piece. I have a lot of practice to do. I have a lot of work to do. I will have the brushes that I used linked down below. They are completely free. Maybe you'll see some of those on there. I love you guys so much. I really just can't thank you enough for just all the support. Honestly, this is the best that my channel's ever done. I really feel like I'm thriving. I want to do like a learn with me series. I want to have different types of content. I like doing character design. I like doing the draw with me where it's just a speed paint process. And then I want to try this new learning with me series where we can kind of learn concepts together that I haven't quite mastered and that you guys can learn along with me. Well, I want to know what you guys like about my content, what you want to see more of and what you want to see less of, right? Because I'm trying to make this so you guys enjoy it and you want to see more. If you haven't already, be sure to boop that subscribe button on the nose, leave a like, and share the video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye!